Hello, welcome back to my channel Lomzy Sews. In today's sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this flare top. It's a very simple tutorial. My client is so happy with the top, especially because it's paired with these shorts. So guys, it's very simple. I'm going to be using like 1.5, it's not up to 1.5 yards of Ankara fabric. So I'm going to fold my fabric into triangle. First of all, you're going to fold it into two. So this is my fabric folded into two, as you can see, like this. I'm going to fold it again into triangle. So this side is on fold, as you can see. So the side that is on fold, I'm going to fold it like this. So watch how I'm folding it into a triangle like this. It's very simple. I'll just turn it the other side so that you see the end of the fabric. Yeah, so this is it, like this. Nothing serious, just fold it into triangle. So you can see this side that is on fold is the front, and this side is going to be the side seam. You see that side has two fold and one on not on fold. So next thing I'm going to do is to get the bust measurement. So you're going to divide your bust divided by 4. Bust divided by 4. Whatever you have, you're going to add ½ inch to that. I have 10.25. I'm going to add ½ inch to that for sewing allowance, which will make it 10.75. So I'm just going to find where I have 10.75 here. As you can see, this is where I have that. So I'm going to mark this line out like this. So this is bust divided by 4 plus ½ inch sewing allowance. So to make your spaghetti straps cover your bra straps, you're going to divide your bust pan divided by 2, and you're going to mark that here. From here, I'm going to go up. So I'm placing this my armhole length here, which is 9 inches. I'll place the 9 inches here and take the neckline depth, which is 6 inches. So here is 9 inches, up here is 6 inches. I'll just square this like this, and on this line, this will be for my shoulder line, my neckline. I don't know what to call it. Anyway, from that line, I'm just going to come down 1 inch and connect it like this. So this is where the spaghetti straps will start. So I'm going to connect this to the armhole. Sometimes words are, you just lack words, so correct me in the comment section. So from here, I'm going to take the length of the flare top. So mine is 28 inches. I added 1 inch, which made it 29 inches. So I'm going to just mark 9 inches, just keeping my tape, as you can see me taking it around to mark the length of the flare top. So on the armhole, I'm going to add ½ inch neckline, ½ inch, and this is basically it. I have been making a lot of spaghetti straps, and I have been using bias to sew the straps, but in this video I'm going to be using facing for this. So if you want to learn how to make your flare top with facing and not just bias, then continue watching so that you're going to see how I will sew this. I've not done that tutorial before, so I decided to do this when I was making this for my client. So after cutting this out, I'll take away this excess. When I open this up, remember one side for the side seam is still on fold. So I'm going to cut that side seam open. If you followed the same thing I did, one side is going to be on fold, so just go ahead and cut it open. And next we are going to cut the facing for the neckline. So I'm going to also, this is my fabric, I'm going to also fold it like as if I'm folding triangle. Can you see? So that you will still have the same bias running all through, both on your lining and the flare. So once I have it like that, I'm just going to go ahead and place my main fabric on the lining, on the facing piece, like so, and I'll go ahead and cut this out. Make sure you align it properly, it's very, very important. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out. Hey, our community is growing. As at the moment I'm making this video, we are at 42,000 plus. I appreciate you guys a lot. Welcome to my channel. Let me know where you're watching me from. Drop that in the comment section and I'll be glad to see your comments on where you're watching me from. Once again, thanks for being part of this community. So the facing is ready for the top. Next up, I'm going to place this facing here for me to sew it. So just watch how I'm going to sew this. I'll cut out the strap for the spaghetti straps. So here I have my straps. The width is 2.5 inches, as you can see. 2.5 inches. It's not yet on fold, so you're going to fold it. And the lengthwise I have is the length of my off shoulder, which is 6 inches. Remember, I came down 6 inches, so times that by 2 and add 1 inch sewing allowance to that. So I'll go to my machine now and sew this and turn it out. So this is my fabric facing up. I'm going to place the facing here like this, and I'll go and sew 1/2 inch. I'll notch it and turn it this way and understitch it. So this is it after sewing it. You can see the facing. So next thing we are going to do is to add the spaghetti straps. So like I said, I've turned it out. As you can see, I'm going to place it like this on the armhole side. Can you see what I'm doing? Just make sure it aligns at the neckline there, and you're going to pin it down. And also do the same thing to the other side. Place the straps here like so and pin it down. If your neckline was to be wider than what I used, you can do this on the neckline, but this is smaller, so I'm doing it on the armhole. So I'm going to place this like this with the straps pinned down and go to my machine and sew 1/2 inch this way and also 1/2 inch the other way. I'll turn it over and also do this to the second part. So this is it after sewing the straps. And next I'm going to do is to sew the side seam. So you align the facing to facing, fabric to fabric, and you're going to sew the side seam. I added 1/2 inch for side seam, so I'm going to sew that out. And then for the hemline, you're going to overlock the lower part and fold it once. And once I was done sewing it, this is how cute it's looking on my client. As you can see, she loves it. I'm happy she likes it.
Good to go. It's really cute.
The lens, everything, I love.
It's really perfect. Thank you, Lomzy.